Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Something kind of cool here. I have my brand new Viotek gaming monitor. Now this is the GN32LD 32-inch curved gaming monitor. It is an absolute beast. I have it right in front of me. Yeah, we're talking 2560 by 1440, 144 hertz refresh rate, 16.9 widescreen, and this thing is a absolute monster. It's right in front of me. Watch, I'll try to pick it up so you can see it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to unbox this. This thing is an absolute beast. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox it and get into it right now. Latest. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. This is the Viotek GN32LD. Now I'm gonna throw some specs up on the screen right there so you can see, but I just wanted to go over, this is also VESA mount compatible, which means if you wanna connect this to a VESA mount, throw it on your wall and mount it, you could do that as well. This also has an anti-glare screen, so you could play for hours and hours and you won't get that eye fatigue. There's so many things here. There's 5 preset options for watching movies, playing games, and let's not forget Freesync is available in this. So I'll even connect my Xbox One to this and play on it from time to time and it will look absolutely amazing. None of that tearing kind of juddery effect at all. Just absolutely buttery smooth. Okay, so yeah, let's stop playing around, get in here. Super excited. I was due for a new gaming monitor for my gaming rig and yeah, Viotek. Oh yeah, okay, let's get into it guys. We don't care about this. All right, and this looks like probably the spine, if you will. I'm guessing there will be a bottom like the legs or the stand. This will connect to that, and then the monitor will probably go right there on top. But I'm loving the dark gray and red trim here, and yeah, it looks phenomenal. Okay, so let's set that to the side. And of course you have your instruction manual. Please read that before just jumping into the setup. You want to know what you're getting into and all the specifications and the way they tell you to set it up for the best possible gaming performance. And yeah, these little screw thingies here, it looks like they will screw into the back of the monitor itself, and then with this you would connect it to a VESA mount to throw it on the wall. And let me open this. Displayport cable, always nice when companies include cables. And power. All good. Okay, let me set that to the side. What other goodies we got here? Looks like a couple of pieces that'll probably snap in there. All right, and we got an Allen key, small little screwdriver, and a couple of other tidbits in there, but we'll put that all in and go over it. All right, and this looks like the base itself, and I absolutely love the red trim. So it's a charcoal gray metal and with a nice red trim. Now I know a lot of you guys have gaming rigs out there that either have red LEDs, red you know, fans inside your cases, red on the cases and stuff, and this monitor will match perfectly with it, if I do say so myself. All right, let me sit that to the side. Now let's get into it. All right. Okay, let's throw that over there because we don't care about that. Wow. OMG. Okay, let's get in here and let's pull this baby up and yeah. Wow. Okay, let me discard the box, because we don't care about that. Oh, wow. You guys look at the nice red trim on top. Don't worry, I'll zoom in. We'll get into it so you can see. But I love it. Very high-end looking, you know? Nice trim, attention to detail. They even put Viotek in red on the front there. And let me just sit this down. Wow. Wow, it's like this thing is an absolute beast. 32 inches of fun, ready to go. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is put on the spine and the base so we can get this mounted. Then I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it and we'll get some glamour shots of it. But wow, this thing is an absolute monster. This thing is huge. All right, let's look at the back. And there's the Viotek, and here we are, graced once again by the red trim, the red here. Viotek, very clean, aggressive, sharp lines on the back. And yeah, this reminds me of the case on a buddy of mine's gaming rig. It looks phenomenal. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these might be LEDs right here, you guys. So we might have a little LED action to go behind your setup here. All right, so let's go ahead and put on the spine and the base and see what that looks like. Okay, you guys, so I have the base here and the base stem. And what we're gonna do is put this in here just like so, right? So now that's in here. Then we're gonna go into our little bag of goodies, get the Allen key. And there should be a bolt right here. Let me turn this around. Okay, and it's gonna go right in between here. There's a little hole inside. Okay, that's done, nice and tight. Let's go ahead and turn it like this. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is put on the cover and cover plate. Should be a little baby screwdriver in here, bang. And some little screws. Oh, right here. So we have the little screwdriver, little screws, and I love that Viotek gives you everything that you need so you can be up and running. You don't need to go get some screws or get some parts or anything like that. So this is pretty simple. We'll take this, put it in here, and we'll use the 3 screws to put it inside there. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and pop this on. Bang. Now we're ready to go ahead and put on the monitor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the monitor and mount it on here. And something I just wanted to point out, you see these 2 tabs here, if you will? The monitor, we're gonna bring it in and put the top in first and then clamp down. Top on, click, bang. All right. And go ahead and lock that in. Now the monitor's secure. Once you hear that click, you know it's in and you're all good to go. Okay, you guys, so there's the monitor set up in all its glory. This thing is an absolute beast. Okay, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is turn it around so you guys can see the back, see all the inputs and everything like that. Okay, you guys, so here's the back of it all set up. You see the way the red accent matches everywhere versus it being on the base or the base stem or the sides. It looks absolutely amazing. I love the charcoal, kind of a gunmetal dark grayish on the back. And yeah, now let me turn around so you can see the inputs. Also, I wanted to show you guys really quick on the back. It comes with some very, very nice and super cool LED lighting. As you see, it's changing colors, but there's settings and options built into the monitor itself, and you can change it to whatever you like. But I just wanted to show you that it comes already built in with it, and it can match whatever setup you got going on. All right, guys. Okay, so this is a LED indicator right here. Here is your power button. Then you have your exit button, up, down, and then your menu button. And that's what you have all right here. Now right here, you have your DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, and audio out, which is perfect. So if you're gaming late night, and you don't want to wake anyone else up in your house or make too much noise any time of the day, you can go ahead and just plug in your headphones right here and you're good to go. Also, to the right of that over here, we have the power. So let me go ahead and connect a source to this and we can see what it looks like. Now, just for a size comparison, as you can see, I have the Viotek 32-inch on the left here, and then on the right, as you'll see, I have a 27-inch, and it just eclipses the 27-inch. I run 3 27 inches on my everyday, day-to-day computer there, and then for my gaming rig, I have another monitor, but now it will be this super awesome Viotek, and it is just size differences. It's not even comparable. Watch, I'll put it directly in front of it and you'll just see it's just like a solar eclipse. It's not even the same, it just dwarfs it. Okay, I'll put it here and then look at that, bang. Like, you can't even see the other one anymore. It's nuts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need 3 32 inches to set up here as well for my everyday, day-to-day stuff. Okay, so it's all set up on my PC. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to start rocking and rolling. And oh, what is that there? You know, that is a really cool guy on the screen. No, I'm playing. So yeah, I just went to YouTube real quick, playing one of my videos, and I just want to say the display is absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to start gaming on this. It is, I mean, the colors are so rich, deep, smooth. I played a little bit of a game that I'm into and it just looks phenomenal. I was actually surprised at how well and fluid like it was moving, but yeah, that's it guys, all ready to go. This is the GN32LD curved gaming monitor by Viotek, and with the 2560 by 1440p, 144 hertz refresh rate, and I cannot forget picture in picture. Please don't forget that guys, and it is a phenomenal display. So that's it. It retails for about $479. You can get it from Viotek.com. Not to mention, you can also get it on Amazon. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go play. Laters.